Hey guys, let's talk about how you can connect your projector to an Echo Dot, so you can use as a Bluetooth speaker. So it's super simple. As you can see, I have a small Echo Dot here, and I just need to use an app, in this case Alexa, to have access to the setup there, right? Because there is no way to set up without an application here. In this case, I just open Alexa. In here, I just look for the devices. Here I have an Echo Dot. You can filter here by devices to look for the one that you want, right? And just find your Echo Dot. Here we go. And just come to the settings and Bluetooth devices, okay? So now I can just look for the devices that are available. In this case, the projector. This one is an HY300, all right? So I just come there on the settings, and here I go to Bluetooth. If you have a different device, you just need to go to the Bluetooth and make it discoverable. And now I come back here to my Alexa and tap pair a new device. And I was looking for the devices available. It's finding different devices. You see here that found my projector, which is the HY300 Pro, okay? So I just tap here and wait for it to connect.
Connected to HY300 Pro Plus. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
You see, it's already connected. I got a message here, pretty clear, and that's working. And I'm good to go. See here, that's working. And now, when I come here to the projector, you see back there, the paired device is the Echo Dot, right? So it's connected right now. And then when I just come here to play something, let me just come here, for example, to YouTube and play something. Then instead of using the speaker here, is going to use the Echo Dot as my speaker, okay? And just come here to this one, copyright free song. There we go. It's playing there, okay? So I can increase the volume from here. Okay, and here, it's a good idea is just to increase the volume as much as you can here, and then later you can just control from the projector itself. So let me just put it back here, and now I can control from the projector. Let's just play again. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And see, it basically works like this. Super simple. So that's the way you can connect your projector to an Echo Dot or any other device that's a Bluetooth speaker, okay? I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.